Yo, what's going on YouTube? So the plan for today's episode is installing the lip back onto my Alfa. um, I've got the lip here. It is made from, well, it's a sheet of ABS plastic that was cut to size with the bumper off the car, and that's basically this guy over here. This used to be on my car, and then things started going wrong with the car and I took it off, and now I'm going to be putting it back on. It has been sitting in my storeroom for quite a while, so it is quite dirty. So the plan is to just give it a nice wipe down, and then yeah, we'll get to installing it onto the car. I'll see you guys when I'm ready to give it a clean up. So ready to give her a bit of a clean, the lip, and what I'm gonna do is just use some blue car shampoo, which is in my spray bottle, and just a cloth, and I'm just gonna wipe it down. And then also these extension pieces, the lip was cut a bit too short, so we cut 2 pieces on either side just to extend it to fit my bumper better. So I need to just glue that again. And then what the plan is as well is to put a wrap on it, a carbon fiber wrap onto the lip. But yeah, so just spray bottle, spray it on. Okay, he's gone now. Okay, so what we have to do now is take these 4 bolts out. Then there's another one that's on the inside over there. Don't know if you guys can see that. I need to take this off my toe hook. Then underneath the car, there's a bolt over there, and then on the inside of the trays or the wheel wells, there's some screws there as well. But yeah, let's grab this This is a T27, so we'll just start. Okay, we're ready to pop the bumper off. I've removed all the screws and bolts, so let's do this. Remember to disconnect your fog lights. So on both sides. And then your bumper comes right off. And this is the fog light connector. So all you need to do is it's like that. Just use your thumb and just press down on that. Then it pops right off. Easy peasy. Okay, once all the bolts are put back into place, we will take the bumper and just position all these holes over them. Let's do that. Alright, so once you have bolted in all of your nuts and bolts, we need to move on to installing the little crossbars or stabilizers, if you want to call it that. And then these guys go in over there and into the hole over there. So let's get it. Alright, so once you have the lip all tightened up, then it's just a matter of putting the bumper back onto the car. So let's get on to that. The bumpers back on, we'll just put all the bolts back in. That needs to be put back in. Into the video, I want to say thank you for watching it first of all, and if you have any comments, suggestions, anything you don't like, anything you want to know, then just shoot them down into the comment box below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial modification or change on my Mito. And if you like the content, then subscribe so that you don't miss out on anything. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.